This is the video for you if you want a fast, simple way to build a 3-day emergency kit without spending hours or overthinking everything. Look, you deserve to feel ready, and you don't need fear, panic, or a shopping cart full of gear to get there. Hey, I'm Michael with Asymmetricalpreparedness.com, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. From off-grid living to military operations and real-world emergency and disaster preparedness work, I have learned some things that I think you will appreciate. A good 3-day kit is built on simplicity, not stress, not fear, and not even perfection. So let's talk about what you actually need in your 3-day emergency kit. Here's the fastest and easiest way for you to put together a 3-day emergency kit today without spending more than a few minutes. Drop the complicated bags, the 200-item checklists, and those fantasy tactical loadouts. If you build these 4 categories, you'll be way ahead of most people. All right, so here are the actual items you will need in your 3-day emergency kit. Number 1, water. Very simple. At least 3 or 4 water bottles per person per day. Food is actually pretty easy. Some cans of your favorite meat, some cans of veggies, some protein bars or emergency ration bars, and some peanut butter. Throw in some candy for morale. Lighting. Throw in a couple flashlights or headlamps and some spare batteries for them. After spending a lot of time in the great outdoors, this became a rule for me. Light equals peace of mind. Next is some random essentials. Make sure you put a medical kit in there, and don't forget about prescription medications. A multi-tool. Don't forget hygiene items, and a couple lighters just in case. The one mistake I see happen pretty often. Most people let themselves get overwhelmed with this. They try to build the perfect kit for all situations on day 1, thus procrastinating actually doing it. You don't need perfect, you need something in place. So today, if you do this, you're one step closer. You're building your capability, not fear. You're building your confidence, not chaos. And if you keep on taking these small steps, you'll become the kind of person that stays calm when things go wrong. If you want to upgrade your kit the easy way, consider adding antibiotics from Jace Medical, a company that I really trust. Link and coupon code are in the description below. And if you haven't yet, you can grab my free survival checklist ebook, link in the description below. I'm not here to sell you panic or paranoia. I'm here to help you live prepared. Thank you very much for allowing me to be part of your day. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and blessings to you and yours.